Welcome back to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back to another EL Falcon video. Now we're halfway through this project, as you can see by this mess here, and what we're trying to do is we're trying to take out the pedal box, and we got stuck. We thought it was a simple job of just undoing a couple of bolts underneath and dropping it out, but apparently that's not the case. And we thought, while we're at this stage, we'll start making a quick video on how to take the pedal box out, which lives under there. You can still see the brake pedal. Now we've taken all the dash out, and look, if you don't know how to get to this stage and take the dash out, it would probably not be a great idea to attempt taking out the pedal box. I've pulled out lots of dashboards over the years, and this is a bit of a daunting job, to be honest. Now we've taken out the cover that sits in there. It's a bit hard to see with the reflections. This cover is only held in with two Phillips head fasteners, one on the driver's side up here and one on the passenger side over that side. And then you expose these bolts here, and there's 5 of these. There's one there, one there, one there, and 2 more down that end. So now we undo all those, and once we've done that, we'll get back to you. We've now taken out the center console, and all these bolts up the top are gone, the 5 that I showed you earlier. And there's one on this side there that we've taken out, and there's one on the other side in the same spot. So we have found 2 more bolts holding things in. So the radio's up here. If you go down, there's 1 bolt in here, and there's another one in there. It's in there, it's in there. So we'll take those 2 out and see how we go after that. Now this is where we are. We've taken those other 2 bolts out. Then it took 2 people to lift the dash up and back. And now it is sort of just hanging there. Now if you were going to take the dash out, you'd have to start disconnecting all the cables and everything else. But all we want to do is swap the pedal box. I think Ford should have thought about this one a little bit better. Let's have a look on the other side. This is looking from the other side, and just to let you guys know, there was 1 bolt there. There was 2 bolts down here, 1 on either side, and 1 bolt there, and then there was the ones along the top there, and that's it. We haven't taken any other bolts out. Keep in mind, you also have to take the center console out, otherwise you'll damage it and break something. So now we can reach in here and undo 3 nuts. There's 1 there, there's 1 down there, and 1 there. Hopefully you'll be able to see it, and then we can drop the pedal box out. What a ridiculous design. We got it out. Actually, Jamie got it out, mostly. There's the 3 bolts holding it in at the top. Then there's bolts down the bottom that go into the firewall, and 2 up here that hold it to the front of the dash. And that's how it comes out. What a stupid design. I suppose you can see why they do it, but geez, I wish there was an easier way to get this out. Let's have a look at the car and see what the car looks like now that we've got this out. Now all this work had to be done just for this, and that's where it mounts up there. It's actually 3 nuts. Sorry, it goes onto those studs and 3 nuts, and we had to disconnect that earth cable there and lift it out up the top. It had to be lifted out through that space there, and this is what we've now got. So the fun part that we're doing now is, on Saturday we'll have to do this to the other car, pull out the pedal box, swap them over, and put it all back together. Hopefully we'll get all that done on Saturday. Now if you've got any questions about this craziness, leave your question down below in the comment section, and I'll try and answer it to the best of my ability. In the meantime, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.